Welcome to my channel. My name is Caroline and I run a tax and accounting firm based here in Johannesburg, South Africa. Today, I'm coming to you to create awareness and to provide distinctions between the different customs, registrations and regulations that are available at SARS. I often get asked the question, what is an import or an export code? What's the difference? People often ask me as well about remover and bond registration. So I will try and give you illustrations and show you exactly what it is that we are talking about here. If you are importing any item from any country outside of South Africa, even if you're using a clearing agent as a company or as an individual, for instance, people that import goods from China, you need an import code. This is a code registered with SARS that your clearing agent will need when they are doing your clearing to import the goods. Now, we apply for that on e-filing on your behalf. In the past, you could apply for it manually at a SARS Customs office, but now SARS will direct you to e-filing and expect you to do an application. The other code is export, and the two are different. Export refers to you taking goods out of the country to customers that are based outside of South Africa, whereas import, you're importing perhaps raw materials or finished goods for either manufacture or sale. So if you're an exporter and you're exporting goods outside of South Africa, again, you will need an export code. Now, the import and the export code is similar, but the certificate itself will distinctly say that this is for import, while the export one will also say this is for export. Within the export code, you can then get a SADC certificate, which gives you further rebates when duties and rebates are concerned when you are exporting your goods. So those are the two main licenses that we often assist clients to apply for. Once you have an export certificate, it's advisable to also register for VAT, because you can then, when you're submitting your VAT returns, apply for VAT refunds based on any VAT you would have paid on suppliers in South Africa. Given that you do not charge your customers outside of South Africa VAT, you will most often be in a refundable position and you will be refunded for the VAT you would have paid for purchases within South Africa. Now, the last custom code I'm going to talk about is the remover in bond license. Since last year, all carriers, transporters, and so on have been required to apply for this license. Now, this simply allows you to be able to drive your vehicles or transport things as a transporter outside of South Africa, or bring goods back into South Africa. So many carriers, many transporters have had to apply for this license, where in the past it was only for those who were bringing in goods and not wanting to pay duty. Now, this is a new law, and it's also something that has to be done on a regular basis. The last custom code that I'm going to deal with is the clearing agent. If you are registering as a clearing agent, you will need a clearing agent license. Now, this one is renewable every year. Unlike the import and export code, which are for life, this code needs to be renewed every year. One thing to note is that with all of these registrations, you do not need to submit returns to SARS like you do with the VAT or the pay-as-you-earn. It's a once-off registration or an annual registration, and then it's utilized by your clearing agent as goods are entering or leaving the country. Please subscribe, like our channel, and connect with us. Have a wonderful and pleasant day. Thank you.